Well, welcome to 33 Hot Rod. I'm John Amber, and my wife Joan and I are building this Factory 5 33 Hot Rod kit car. We've been working on it for about 8 months now, and we're almost to the point where we have a drivable chassis. We're really excited about that. But hey, if you're enjoying our videos, hit the like button, share us with your friends, and make sure you subscribe. So today we're going to be assembling and installing the handbrake. We're also going to be finishing up the sheet metal work in the cockpit. And we're going to be installing the accelerator pedal, and then we're going to put in the shifter for the automatic transmission. So we got a lot of work to do. We're ready to get started. Let's go. So Joan did the assembly of the handbrake. This is one place where Factory 5 did a really good job with the instructions. They were really complete, and there were a lot of good diagrams and drawings. So while she was doing the assembly of the handbrake, I finished off the sheet metal in the cockpit. Now I'm not going to bore you with more drilling and riveting videos. I think you've seen enough of that. But all the sheet metal is installed and finished up in the cockpit. After that, we attached the handbrake to the chassis. And we hooked up the cables that run back to the rear brakes. So now we have a working emergency brake. Next, we installed the accelerator pedal and all the fittings and the cable. And we got that hooked up to the carburetor. Lastly, we took care of the shifter. Now, I originally ordered a shifter from Speedway, but it's been on back order for 4 months. So I actually found a used one on eBay, and it's in pretty good condition. I got that assembled. Got that installed. All the linkage is hooked up. It works absolutely perfect. Well, we got a lot of work done. Next time we're going to be installing the seats, the safety harness, and the transmission tunnel. After that, we're actually going to be able to take this baby for a ride. So keep coming back to 33 Hot Rod. Like us, share us, subscribe, and until next time, cheers.